Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with DNS. Using a custom DNS can significantly enhance your gaming experience, optimizing the path your data travels to the game servers. This often leads to smoother gameplay and quicker response times. We will explore simple, safe steps to set this up on your device. This adjustment can frequently resolve common connectivity issues, giving you a competitive edge. Selecting the right DNS server is crucial for optimal performance. Google DNS with primary 8, 8, 8, 8 and secondary 8, 8, 4, 4 is a popular choice. Cloudflare DNS using 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1 also offers excellent speed and privacy. Consider testing both options to see which provides the lowest ping in your specific location. Tools are available online to help you compare these speeds effectively before you make your decision. On your Android device, start by opening your settings menu and finding the Wi-Fi section. Long press on your connected Wi-Fi network, then select Modify Network or Network Settings. Change the IP settings from DHCP to static to enable custom DNS inputs. Enter your preferred primary DNS address, for example, 8, 8, 8, 8, and then your secondary DNS such as 8, 8, 4, 4. Remember to save these changes before exiting. For iOS users, begin by opening your Settings app and tapping on Wi-Fi. Find your currently connected network and tap the small blue eye icon next to its name. Scroll down to the DNS section, then select Configure DNS and change it from automatic to manual. Remove any existing servers and add your primary and secondary DNS addresses like 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1. Ensure you save these settings to apply the new configuration immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.